About 10 billion donuts are mass-produced annually to meet demand, with 4 to 5 billion made in the U.S., ensuring quality and wide availability. Donuts are popular for their sweet flavor, variety, and convenience as a snack or breakfast. Their texture and customizable toppings enhance their appeal across cultures and age groups. The industrial-scale donut production process begins by combining the basic ingredients, including flour, water, sugar, baking powder, eggs, and other essential components, using a specialized spiral automated mixer. This ensures a thorough and consistent blending of the dough. The prepared dough is then conveyed via an automated belt system towards the sheeter machine, where it is carefully crafted into flat, uniform layers of dough sheets. To prevent sticking during the folding or rolling processes, a small amount of flour is automatically sprinkled onto the dough's surface. Following this, a specialized brushing mechanism helps distribute the flour evenly while preventing any excess from accumulating. Once the dough has reached the desired level of thickness, it is moved to the stamping section, where it undergoes precise stamping to create the individual donut shapes, making it easier to cut the dough into the final donut forms. The stamped dough layer is transported to a specialized donut cutter, which precisely punches the center of each donut, producing the iconic donut hole. Once the donut centers have been extracted, the remaining dough trimmings are systematically diverted to a dedicated section of the production line. Conveyor belts meticulously transport these excess dough fragments away from the primary cutting zone, ensuring seamless collection while maintaining uninterrupted manufacturing operations. The freshly cut donuts are carefully conveyed to the proofing station via integrated conveyor systems. Throughout this transport process, the donuts are meticulously handled and monitored to preserve their delicate shape and structural integrity. The dough donuts are then automatically positioned into specialized, fenestrated trays to facilitate essential air circulation during the crucial proofing stage. This automated positioning reduces manual labor requirements and ensures a consistent, uniform placement of the donuts within the trays. An automated fryer, equipped with conveyor belts, gently lowers the donuts into hot oil heated to a precise temperature range of 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The fryer's conveyor system meticulously flips the donuts, making sure even cooking on both sides. Depending on the size and thickness of the donuts, the frying time typically varies from 45 seconds to 90 minutes per side. As the donuts fry, the moisture in the dough creates steam, causing the dough to expand and develop the desired airy, light texture inside the finished product. This automated process, combined with the carefully controlled frying parameters, ensures the consistent production of high-quality donuts. The other way of depositing donuts in oil is through the automated donut depositing process, which utilizes air pressure to push dough from a hopper through specially designed nozzles that shape the donuts before they enter the hot oil for frying. This machine uses air pressure to push dough from a hopper through specially designed nozzles, which are designed to shape the product before it enters the oil. Upon completion of the frying stage, the donuts are cooled down using a cooling conveyor system, which establishes a controlled environment where the donuts gradually reduce in temperature as they proceed along the conveyor belt. Typically, cooling conveyors are designed with perforations that permit the excess oil to drip through and collect in designated receptacles below. This design not only maintains the cleanliness of the conveyor surface, but also ensures that the donuts do not remain in contact with oil during the cooling phase. Following the cooling, a dusting of powdered sugar alternatives is automatically sprinkled on the donuts. This application is intended to create a uniform surface, effectively absorbing any remaining moisture or oil. It also serves to regulate the absorption rate of the subsequent glaze, thus guaranteeing a consistent and even coating. The donuts are then subjected to a continuous glaze application process, wherein the flowing glaze uniformly envelops every surface of the donuts. This uninterrupted flow guarantees comprehensive coverage, providing each donut with a glossy, sweet coating that effectively enhances its taste profile. Excess glaze, which may escape down the sides of the donuts, is efficiently captured by a drip tray positioned beneath the conveyor system, which is then subsequently redirected back into the glazing apparatus, thereby optimizing resource utilization and minimizing waste. The ability to glaze multiple donuts concurrently substantially accelerates the overall production process. Chocolate glaze can also be applied using a chocolate enrobing machine, which operates in tandem with the conveyor belt transporting the donuts. As the donuts traverse a specific segment of this process, the chocolate glaze is administered from below, or alternatively, the donut is entirely encased in the chocolate coating. Once the donuts are glazed, an automated robotic arm equipped with precision-engineered grippers extracts the donuts from the current conveyor belt and transfers them to another conveyor system designed to facilitate their journey to the topping station. During their transit on the conveyor, the donuts advance beneath a topping dispenser, which methodically distributes sprinkles evenly over their entire surface. Liquid vanilla can also be applied as a topping using a specialized machine that meticulously crafts uniform patterns across each donut surface. Complex zigzag formations are frequently made to provide a visual contrast against the rich, dark chocolate glaze, thereby augmenting the aesthetic appeal of the donuts. Following the completion of the glazing operation, the donuts are systematically cooled as they progress along the conveyor belt. Undergoing a final inspection, donuts are transported by conveyor to the automated packaging area, ensuring each meets quality standards. Here, a bagging machine forms plastic bags, fills them with donuts, and seals them to maintain freshness. Packaged donuts are then visually inspected before being grouped into larger boxes, ready for distribution and delivery to the market.